I am Mr. Alim, Nutrition Counselor and Direct Seller. Today we will discuss a very important chapter, very important topic which is related to our life. What is the life? Life is a opportunity. Life is a game and each and every man have to play this game. Like we looks the lot of games, but the cricket is a very famous in India. In cricket, we can't say up to the last ball which team will be win the match. Such the life is also a game. We can't say what will happen in the next day, what will come in our life tomorrow. The yesterday and tomorrow and today have a different situation, different conditions and different life. So we have to focus on our life. Our life is a gift of Almighty. We all have to live a better life when we understand our reality. Why the Almighty given us a life? The Almighty given us an opportunity to prove we are the well. We are here to not stay forever. We have to live these things which are present in our life. Our life is not immortal. This human body is not immortal. The soul is immortal. The internal, the mind, brain, soul and body is our main property. But we are day by day focusing on the external part of the body. But the main source of energy is our internal parts. Our mind, our brain is very important. There is two kind of diseases, physical diseases. When we are affected by any disease, then we take medicine and by this medicine we cure. But when we are affected by the mental disorders, the mental disorders are not cured by the medicine. Here need to be understanding. Our main problem start from here. We are focusing on external factors, on physical happiness, but real happiness is inside. We have to focus on our internal energy. The Almighty has given us unbelievable potential, unbelievable energy within us. Our soul is most powerful. Our brain is the most powerful. Our mind is the most powerful. So we have to focus on our internal parts. We have to generate our internal energy. When we focus on our internal part and internal energy, we will become very bold and strong. We can fight against all the problems, but problems start from the external things, external happiness, physical happiness. We are in search of physical happiness. We are fond of things of physical. We are fighting to achieve more and more physical happiness, but real happiness is inside us. Real happiness is inside us. Reality is within us. So we all have to focus on our internal source of energy, that is our soul. The soul is immortal. Soul is the most powerful. When we will take care of our soul, we internally become strong, and when the man become internally strong, he fight very against the external factors. Physiology, psychology, and science. Science is the creation of man, but our internal parts are created by Almighty. The science can't create what the Almighty created. That is the difference. So we have to focus on our soul. Soul is the most powerful. The source, the energy comes from our heart. Heart is the house, is the home of Almighty. Within our heart, a beautiful heart is more important than million beautiful faces. So a beautiful heart, a heart where allow affections for everybody. That heart changes the lives of millions. We are the creation of Almighty. We are here to help each other. We have to need to live with the friendly brotherhood, harmony, and the cooperation with each other. So you are focused on our character. If our character will become the very strong, then this universe, the world will become like a song. What you want to do and what you want to live with a beautiful one. Yes, is the point. The point to noting. Where are we going and where we have to go? It needs to be an understanding. Understanding was very important, and for understanding, the knowledge is very important. So the focus on reality, the reality of the life. The reality of the life is focus on our internal source of energy. But we are focusing on the external things. We have to focus on internal. Our mind, our brain and body is our main property. To make them strong, to make brain strong, we have to focus what is the requirement of our brain. Mind, what is the requirement of our mind, and then the body. Mind, body and brain. The requirement of body is the diet, the proper diet, the diet which contains all the nutrition which have a balanced nutrition value within it. And our mind need the positive thinking. Positive thinking is the diet of our mind, and mind is the most powerful. Mind is the most powerful. Where we want to go and where we want to go, so life is a very beautiful. So our main property is our mind, brain and body. So you have to focus on our mind, brain and body. The main focus must be on the internal energy. The physical happiness is not permanent. The real happiness is inside us, and real happiness is lead to a better life, good life and successful life. So we have to focus on our internal energy, internal source of energy. That is our Almighty has given us the powerful soul, the beautiful mind, and the wonderful brain. So we have to focus on this part of our body. But we are focusing external appearance is not that much important. Internal is very important. We have to become internally strong. We have to make our heart strong. We have to make our brain strong. We have to make our mind strong. Then and then we can win the world. The physical happiness is not a real life. So don't focus on physical happiness, focus on real happiness. Thanks once again. We will be come back in the next video. So if you like, share and subscribe. Thanks so much. Have a nice journey of the life. Almighty bless you. Okay. Bye. See you again.